Experiencing fast-forward problems with your Spectrum DVR? You're not alone. The most common reasons include slow internet speeds, issues with the DVR box itself, and problems with the Spectrum app. Start by testing your internet speed. Spectrum recommends a minimum of 25 Mbps for smooth DVR functionality. Slow internet can cause buffering and control lag. If your internet is sufficient, try power cycling your DVR by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This often resolves box-related issues. For app users, ensure you have the latest version installed. Try clearing the cache or reinstalling the app if issues persist. Check for regional outages on Spectrum's website or app. Software updates are often automatic, but can be triggered manually via the DVR menu. Also, if using a Bluetooth remote, check the batteries. These steps resolve most common playback issues with Spectrum DVR fast-forward problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, consider if your DVR is an older hardware-based model. Spectrum is migrating users to cloud DVR services, which provide more reliable playback and eliminate hardware glitches. Contact Spectrum to check eligibility for a free upgrade to cloud DVR. Looking ahead, expect continued improvements in DVR technology with AI-driven diagnostics and 5G integration to reduce latency and enhance trick play controls. Future features may include AI-enhanced trick play, such as automatically skipping commercials and predictive buffering for smoother playback. While cord-cutting trends impact traditional DVR usage, Spectrum emphasizes hybrid models with better cross-platform compatibility, ensuring seamless playback between TVs and mobile devices.